So today I'll show you what to do when your kitchen cabinet door is not aligned. If you look over there, all the way to the top, oh, but the door is not aligned. Now what? There you go. It was simple and easy, right? Not exactly though. Um, this hinge, it comes out, right? So it's not adjusted properly. So I'm gonna go and change the hinge, slow close the hinges, and we'll see how it goes. So remove the hinges from the cabinet and put a new one. So I just removed one and two hinges. Then I'm gonna remove four hinges because it's an old cabinet, so I can replace all four. So this new hinge is just one part. You screw it there, and this one you connect to the door of the cabinet. Instead of like this is separate and that is separate, and you screw it. So which is nice. So I put two there just to check it's gonna level, and then I'm gonna screw the door. So there you go. I just connected one screw each, and let's see. Closes and it slows down. Great. So let me just put another screw on the hinges. So there you go, two screws here and three screws there. Two screws up there and three over there. So I'm gonna do it on the other side and I'll come back to you guys. Go. The doors are hanged. Let's close them. Great. So it slows down and then it closes itself. I'm gonna fix that also the middle, the center part to make the doors closes. And the edge is flat. There we go. Just do clockwise or counterclockwise this one. Let's see. And it will. Let's see. There you go. So that's how you replace your old hinges. And when you put a new one, it becomes flush and it won't come out, and it's simple and easy. And this whole hinge is one instead of two pieces. So that's great. Thanks for watching.